Hello, Kevin Rohlwing with TIA and your tech tip for March 2026. Today we're going to talk about tire mounting, specifically lubrication during the mounting process. All right, the first step, as everybody knows, is you got to lubricate the beads of the tire with an approved rubber lubricant. This picture right here, you can see that the beads are being lubricated from the bead toe to the lower rib on the sidewall, and that's going to protect the bead during mounting. Now, when you mount the tire onto the rim flange is going to rub off half of that bead loop. As it gets pushed over the rim flange, half of that bead loop is going to get rubbed off, which means literally when you're putting the tire on the rim and it's there, half of the beads aren't lubed for the bead seating process. The step that we want to talk about today is lubricating the rim. You always lubricate the rim, not to protect the beads, but to make sure that the beads are going to be concentrically seated. You can see in this photo right here, we're actually applying approved lubricant to the bead seating area of the rim. This way, when the tire is mounted on the rim and it's starting to seat, it's going to be lubricated and it's going to concentrically seat in the rim, which means it's going to be centered on the rim, which means you're going to have better balance, better ride, and better wear. So again, we're talking about mounting a tire. We always lubricate the beads to protect the beads, but we also need to make sure we lubricate the rim so that the tire is going to be concentrically seated on the rim after it's go ahead and it's inflated and it's returned to service. That's your tech tip for March 2026. I'm Kevin Rohlwing. Stay tuned. We'll see you next month. Thank you.